choose the group which is different from others. So here if you look into the options, I have already told in many of my videos, in some of my videos, that you need to be well aware about the common things in maths, like the prime numbers, like composite numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, etc. Okay, you need to be very thorough. And in this year question also, in previous year question and in 2021, 22, 23, etc., many of the questions had the concepts, all these concepts were there, like natural number, whole number, integer, okay, prime number, composite number. So you need to be well aware of all these concepts, also odd number, even number, and all. So you need to be well aware about that. And I think I have already told you to be well aware about all these topics as well. So and I have already told you that you have to study, you have to by heart the prime numbers at least till 50 and all. Okay, so now if you can identify that these given numbers are prime numbers, then half your job is done. So if you have by hearted at least till 50 the prime numbers, you can after seeing the options, you can say that these are prime numbers. Most of these are prime numbers, right? So our duty, our thing, what we have to do here is that we need to find out the number which is not a prime number. So if you check all these numbers, 91 is actually not a prime number. Okay, 91, if you divide 91 by 7, you will get 13. Okay, 13 into 7 is actually 91. So 91 is not a prime number. So if you can identify that 91 is not a prime number, it's actually very difficult. Okay, only if you know the prime number, at least some of this prime number, then only you can come to this conclusion. But at least if you can identify that 91 is not a prime number, then you can say that option D is the right answer, because all other numbers are prime numbers here. Okay.